I'm going to get rid of these. I want to show you, Sean has inspired me on this one. So he wanted to make I'm going to go like this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. And you see how I'm drawing each one with a different line, and I'm clicking, okay? So now it doesn't really go together. And when we grab this, if I grab this, see how I'd move that away? If you rubber band select and see I've got this path and this path. If I go to Object, Path, Join, you can see that this now has become one. I would have to go back in and clean up some of that and see some of the points that I made here. But again, rubber band select the whole thing, and this I'm going to have a little trouble because it may not join because those two are not touching. If I go to Object, Path, Join, which is also Control J, you see how now this has become all one. So now what I'm going to have to do is go here and see this one right here. I'm going to have to put it on top of this one. And then those two paths are not joined. So don't forget, you've got to go back here and grab them both, Object, Path, Join. Again, Control J. And now this is one object. Okay, so that comes in handy. And then at this point, I could also give it a fill and fill it in. I could even give the stroke and have the stroke have no stroke. And that's one of the ways of drawing things. A lot of times you'll draw it with the stroke, but then you'll delete the stroke later when you're done and not have the stroke. But I would definitely go back in here and maybe correct some of these points so that I get it looking prettier. And like maybe up here I have 2 points. I'd have to zoom in like crazy up there. See how I have it going in and out? So maybe I would go here and delete one of those points so that I didn't have that jig and jag in there, okay? But you can refine that quite a bit.